live view, what we're gonna do is click the home button on the IMS300, select where it says real-time recording. It's gonna open up the screen, and basically you just drag your DVR on the right side to the first screen. It's gonna start opening up the cameras. The layout you can change it on the bottom depending on how many cameras you have. For example, in this case we're gonna put up to 9 cameras. Then you just click, double click on the camera you wanna see bigger. When you are double click, if you wanna go back, you select also a double click, and you're gonna go back to the main screen again. Double click again, you're gonna see the next camera. When you click on the right click, basically gonna have a menu. Basically capture is gonna take a screenshot of whatever is happening. Record is gonna record the live view. Then you also have open playback to go back. You have electronic amplification. When you select it, you just drag on the screen, and you're gonna have like a basically a zoom in, where it's not an optical zoom, it's a digital zoom, so that's why it's a little bit pixelated. Right click to go back, and if you have a camera with an electronic or a motorized zoom or PDC, you go to the right side where it says PDC, and you have the menu over here. Basically the arrows is for you to move the camera. In this case this one is a fix, but basically we can do a zoom on this part where it has the plus sign. We can just hold it. It's gonna start doing zoom of that camera, and it will automatically focus the camera. Go back, basically the negative button on the zoom or the larger view. Double click to go back the cameras, and that is the live view.